Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Maps API to N8n. This integration allows you to automate location-based tasks and pull map data directly into your workflows, making it incredibly useful for businesses that need to work with addresses, coordinates, or route planning automatically. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to n8n.io. Once you're on the page, you'll need to type in your login credentials to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your command center where all your automation workflows live. From here, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new workflow. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to the N8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that N8n gives you two options for creating your workflow. You can either build it manually by choosing the Add First Step option, or you can use the Build with AI feature if you prefer a more guided approach. For our purposes today, we're going to go with the manual route as it gives us more control over the connection process. To connect Google Maps to your N8n workflow, click on Add First Step from your editor screen. A panel will slide out from the right side of your interface. This panel contains all the available nodes and actions you can use in N8n. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search bar. Type in HTTP request and click on the result that appears. This HTTP request node is essential because it allows N8n to communicate with external APIs, including Google Maps. Once the HTTP request action has been added to your workflow, a parameters window will pop up. This is where you'll configure how N8n talks to Google Maps. You'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Start with the method field and select Get from the drop-down menu. This tells N8n that you're requesting information from Google Maps rather than sending data to it. Now, open a new browser tab and head over to googlemaps.com. Once you're there, simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. Head back to your N8n workflow editor and paste this URL into the URL field in the parameters window. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of connecting Google Maps API to N8n. This setup forms the foundation for pulling map data and location information into your automated workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.